think I can slice this. So I can cut this across here, hammer that flat. I should have just enough room to change the holes. It should give me close to 1 inch. To go further, I can slice this off so it doesn't hit. Extend this. So yeah, this is just the epoxy sealer and it's showing spots. You see this a lot on older stuff, older plastics, older paint. It soaks up things that are put on it like Armor All and such. It'll soak into the paint and you'll never get it out. But we're gonna try. We have to paint it a couple times. Paint it and lock everything down, sand it and repaint it. We'll see. Got a lot of trash in it, showing a lot of the flaws, so we're going to repaint it. See, these are all like fish eyes kind of stuff. Some kind of contaminant on there. Wouldn't let the paint bond. We'll sand all this flat. Hopefully it'll go away this time. Just going to do the top part this time. Still a couple little flaws, but overall it looks really good. I think I can live with that. Ready to bolt that sucker in. So even though I want to put the column in, I might as well go ahead and get my gauge cluster worked out, figure out how I'm going to do all that. I've got the Holley EFI analog gauges that plug right into the Terminator X, so I've got to figure out how to mount them. I've seen a couple things on YouTube. If I use the factory gauge cluster cover, I really don't like how deep the smaller holes are.
and it's going to cut out some of what I see on the gauges. So I'm going to attempt to do a little custom gauge install. Really have no idea how it's going to turn out. Just going to figure it out as I go, and probably buy something else in the end. We'll see. There's a lot of trial and error that goes into this kind of stuff. Right here, I'm just kind of getting my template as close as I can before I try to cut out the hard plastic that I've got to put over there. In the end, it may not work, or it may come out pretty nice. Sometimes I just like doing things that I've never done, just to see if I can and how it's going to turn out, and to be different. There's a lot of stuff out there that could probably just bolt in, but I like to do something a little different, so it just doesn't turn out just like everyone else's. So I'm going to keep plowing away at this, see how far I can get. I'm not going to bore you with all the stare time that I give this dash, but come back next time and we'll see what the progress looks like. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. We'll see you next time.